Install the spin coater power cord. Install the pump power cord. Install the air tube. Insert one end into the spin coater's air tube interface. Insert the other end into the pump's air tube interface. Push the air tube all the way in to prevent air leakage. Install the stylus. First, peel off the protective film on the back of the stylus. Then stick it in a suitable position on the equipment. The glue collection pod is pre-installed before shipment and requires no additional installation. Disposable inner liners are optional accessories. Purchasing this accessory is recommended. Disposable inner liners can replace aluminum foil. Aluminum foil debris can easily enter the spin coater and may damage the equipment. Inner liners are safer and more convenient. Install the wafer holder. Align the groove of the wafer holder with the encoder disc lock and place it flat. Installation completion diagram. Turn on the spin coater and pump switches. Take out the clean substrate. Clean substrates have better hydrophilicity and stronger adhesion. Purchasing our company's cleaning machine is recommended. Note the centering alignment tool. It is only suitable for standard-sized circular silicon wafers. A 4-inch centering alignment tool is used for demonstration here. Place the centering alignment tool flat against the edge of the wafer holder. Then place the substrate on it. Push the substrate until it is flush with the centering tool. This model is equipped with a 4.3-inch LCD screen. It can store up to 10 spin coating recipes. Click Recipe Selection and then Clear. This will clear the currently set recipe. You can then set your desired recipe. Rotation speed, adjustable arbitrarily from 50 to 10,000 RPM. Acceleration, adjustable arbitrarily from 10 to 10,000 RPM. For substrates larger than 4 inches. To ensure experimental safety, it is recommended to set the acceleration below 1000 RPM. The duration can be set arbitrarily. Set other required recipe stages using the same method. After setting the desired recipe, click Vacuum Hold. The substrate will be adsorbed onto the wafer holder. Under normal circumstances, click Start. The substrate will be automatically adsorbed onto the wafer holder. Solution dispensing is demonstrated here. First, click Vacuum Hold. Our company's syringe pump is used here for dispensing and spin coating demonstration. It is recommended to use it with our company's syringe pump. Precise quantitative dispensing can be achieved. The equipment will automatically stop spin coating when the time is up. Next, a 4-inch wafer holder is used to demonstrate 50 RPM and 10,000 RPM. Set to 50 rpm, the speed rises smoothly and stably. It can remain stable at 50 rpm for a long time. Set the rotation speed to 10,000 rpm. The speed rises smoothly and stably. It can reach 10,000 rpm directly in 1 second. It can remain stable at 10,000 rpm for a long time. Next, spin coating with a substrate on a 4-inch wafer holder is demonstrated. Acceleration, 10,000 rpm. Demonstration from low speed to high speed with no overshoot, the speed rises smoothly and stably. It can be clearly seen that the speed has almost no overshoot and stabilizes at the set speed. Next, a 4-inch wafer holder is used to demonstrate an acceleration of 10,000 rpm. Arbitrarily set high and low speeds. The equipment can still rise or fall smoothly and stably. This model supports spin coating with up to 6-inch wafer holders. If a certain recipe stage is not needed, set its duration to 0 and the system will automatically skip it. The equipment has an automatic recipe saving function. After setting the experimental recipe, click Start and the recipe will be saved automatically. The previous experimental recipe can be used directly in the next experiment. No need to reconfigure. Two. The equipment has recipe import and export functions. Set the desired recipe. Click Recipe. Click Export. Select the resident Flash 2 folder. Note, for recipe import and export, only this folder can be selected. Similarly, click Settings. Click Import. Select the required recipe file to import. Note, other folders are for technical personnel only. Misoperation of files in these folders may cause the equipment to malfunction. 3. Spin coding direction, clockwise, counterclockwise, is adjustable. This model defaults to counterclockwise spin coding. To adjust the spin coding direction, click Settings and change the spin coding direction. Four. This model is equipped with a USB interface. It can connect wired or wireless mice, etc. Simply insert the USB of the external device into the spin coder's USB interface to operate. Five. Set the desired rotation speed, switching from high speed to low speed or vice versa. The spin coder's speed rises or falls smoothly and stably, resulting in better experimental results. Set different rotation speeds and accelerations. The equipment still maintains a smooth and stable speed without overshoot. Six. The equipment features pre-vacuum and devacuum functions for coating larger substrates or heavier wafers. These functions protect the substrate. Click Settings. Set the required pre-vacuum time and devacuum time respectively. Pre-vacuum means the equipment first evacuates air and starts coating after the set time. Devacuum means the equipment first stops coating and releases the vacuum after the set time. Seven. Adsorption force detection function. If the adsorption force is insufficient, the equipment will automatically alarm and stop coating. This protects the substrate, preventing issues like substrate displacement due to weak adsorption. Eight. Lid open protection function. Click Settings to enable the lid open protection switch. When the quartz chamber lid is open, the equipment will automatically alarm and stop coating. Nine. Adjustable adsorption force. It is highly useful for flexible substrates or special experimental requirements. First, pull out the pressure regulating valve knob. Rotate clockwise to increase adsorption force, rotate counterclockwise to decrease it. After adjusting to the required adsorption force, press the pressure regulating valve knob to lock it in place. 10. The equipment is equipped with an anti-glue ingress device and a waste liquid collection system. during experiments. If a small amount of solution is sucked into the equipment, it will automatically flow into the waste liquid bottle, thus protecting the overall functionality of the equipment. After the experiment, turn off the pump and spin coater switches. Remove the experimental substrate. Remove the wafer holder. If there is residual solution on the wafer holder surface, wipe it clean with lint-free paper dipped in alcohol. If there is residual solution inside the shaft at the bottom of the wafer holder, wipe it clean using the same method. Note: remove the wafer holder after the experiment to prevent residual solution from solidifying, which may cause the wafer holder to get stuck. Unplug the spin coater and pump power cords. During use, if you feel the equipment's adsorption force is weak, drip alcohol into the 3 air suction holes on the encoder disc one by one. Click to start vacuuming and releasing, and rinse back and forth several times. Alternatively, let the alcohol soak for a while before vacuuming. The alcohol and solution will be collected in the waste liquid bottle. Rotate the waste liquid bottle counterclockwise to pour out the waste liquid. Then reinstall the waste liquid bottle. Note: the waste liquid bottle must be tightened to prevent air leakage. If the equipment fails to power on, first check the equipment fuse. Use a large flathead screwdriver to remove the fuse box. The exposed fuse is the one in use. The spare fuse is inside the adjacent compartment. If the in-use fuse is blackened or broken, replace it directly. Use a small flathead screwdriver to take out the spare fuse and install it. If the issue persists, please contact the manufacturer for after-sales service.